So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. So I hope you all guys are fine and learning a lot. So in this video I'm going to introduce a platform, Cryptomus. So I will tell you how you can accept crypto payments on your website or on local stores using Cryptomus. So this is the Cryptomus website. For example, you have a bookstore and you want to sell the products and want to accept the payment in cryptocurrency. So there you can use Cryptomus payment gateway. Okay, so what is Cryptomus? So it provide access to useful tools for private and business use. Okay, it will help to accept and receive crypto payments easily with our crypto gateway. Okay, so these are some advantages of Cryptomus. So low commission from 0.4%. Okay, so quick crypto transactions. Okay, easy crypto payment integration. So they are providing lot of CMSs like PrestaShop, OpenCart, WooCommerce. Let me check the more. Okay, WHMSCS. Okay, so these are the shopping cart plugins that you can integrate. Okay, so let's see more. So these are the services that they are providing. So solutions for business. Okay, you can accept crypto directly in your physical stores with QR code or payment link. Okay, and you can convert your crypto with auto convert feature. They are providing auto convert feature also to protect your funds with volatility. Okay, so they are providing two-factor authentication, whitelist, auto withdrawal, or other features to keep your funds safe. Okay, so this is safe also. So okay, you can accept payments from international customers also. Okay, so these are the personal services. Okay, you can keep your crypto funds in one place. Okay, so they are providing most popular currencies on one platform and pay for everyday purchases with digital currency. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, first of all you have to create an account. Okay, then there you have to generate the API keys. Okay, and it is possible to do by sharing the link or QR with your client. I mean, you can accept the payments by sharing the link or QR code. Okay, and pay invoices in crypto, just follow the link and merchant gave you or scan a QR code, then a payment page will be open. Okay, so these are the solutions. Online services they are providing: Telegram bots, e-commerce, high risk projects, gaming services, online schools. Okay, so you guys can contact them via Telegram also. There you have to provide your name, email and Telegram ID, and they will contact you on your Telegram ID or via mail. They will contact you. So let's first of all I need to sign up. So let's create an account. So here there are two options, email and phone number. Either you can join via email or phone. So I'm going to join via my mail. So this is the mail I'm going to use. Let me check. Let me enter the password. Okay. Create an account. So on your mail ID, you will get the confirmation code. So let me check. Oh, I got it. So there you need to fill your confirmation code and create an account. So your account is in processing. So yeah, my account is creation is done. Sign up successfully. So these are the notifications. Here you will get the notifications. Okay, this is the theme switcher. You can made it in dark mode or light mode. Okay, these are the languages they are providing. Settings and logout. Okay, let me check more. If I go to settings, okay, referral program. If you refer to your friends, then you will receive 30% of the payment commission from all clients you refer. Nice. Okay, auto withdrawal, you don't have access to this section. Okay, so from here you can manage your notification settings. If you want to get notification via SMS, then you will get via SMS, then email. Then if you want via Telegram, then you can select Telegram also. After that, let me see. If I go to business, okay, payout API key, so from there you can generate an API key. Okay, so let me start. If I bind to FA, okay, from here you have to start two-factor authentication, and when you check this, there you will get this pop-up. Okay, let me check. Download and install the authenticator app on your mobile device. So what you have to do is you have to open Play Store. Okay, there you need to find this Google Authenticator. So I already downloaded this. Okay, then you have to open the Authenticator app and then scan the QR code. If you are unable to scan it, you can manually enter the setup key. Okay, copy the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app and paste it into the text field. Okay, enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone or email. Okay, registered email. You have successfully enabled Authenticate. So let's start. Okay, so, okay, so let me check my mail. Yeah, I am successfully authenticated. So got it. Now here you can select the notification process, like if you want to. Okay, security. Okay, sorry, this is the security one. Okay, okay, so these are the options that you want to select. If you want to notify via SMS, okay, then auto withdrawal feature, notifications, authorization, link phone. Okay, for authorization, if you want to use this SMS, then you have to provide your mobile number. Whitelist management. Okay, so let's go to business, and now I am generating a API key. So let me check. On your Google Authenticator app, you will get the code. Okay, confirm. So this is my API key. Copied. Let me save in my notepad. Okay, now if I go to API documentation, okay, then go to modules. So these are the plugins that you will get and you have to download it. So I'm downloaded WooCommerce. Okay, now what you have to go do is you have to go to your WordPress, go to plugins, add new. Okay, upload plugin. Then there you have to choose your file. So this is the file I downloaded. Open it, install now. Okay, click on activate plugin. Okay, so now if I go to plugins, install plugins. Oh, so here you guys can see Cryptomus plugin is installed. Now if I go to configure, okay, there I need payment API key. Okay, merchant UUID, method description. Okay, how much commission does the client pay? Okay, now okay, go to dashboard. Let's create a merchant. Merchant name, developers. corner, create merchant. Okay, there are the two types, like you can accept payment by link or you can accept payment by API. So I am selecting this connect API. Got it. So now here is your merchant ID. Go to here. Okay, here you need to paste it, merchant ID. Let click on enabled. Okay, and let's fill the website name. So as like okay. Go to here, control C. Okay, my shop, submit it. So this is the API key. Copy it. This is the payment API key. Okay, now how much commission does the client pay? So go to dashboard. So I am giving it 1%. Okay, so save changes. Yeah, your settings have been saved. Yeah, this is all what you have to done by using, like for using Cryptomus API. Okay, integration. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys.